Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to compare two popular Wi-Fi mesh systems, Google Wi-Fi system and Amazon Eero 6. We'll be taking a closer look at both products' features and comparing them side by side in different categories. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. In terms of coverage area, the Google Wi-Fi system can cover up to 1,500 square featuring with a single point and up to 4,500 square featuring with a set of 3 points. On the other hand, the Amazon Eero 6 mesh system covers up to 3,000 square feet, which is less than Google Wi-Fi's but still more than enough to cover a large home or office space. Overall, both products offer excellent coverage for your Wi-Fi needs. When it comes to Wi-Fi speed, the Amazon Eero 6 mesh system supports Wi-Fi speeds of up to 500 Mbps, while Google Wi-Fi system doesn't specify any speed. Additionally, Amazon Eero 6 has Wi-Fi 6 support, allowing for faster Wi-Fi than prior standards and permitting over 75 connected devices. Therefore, it's safe to say that Amazon Eero 6 offers better Wi-Fi speed and it can handle more devices without compromising network performance. Both Google Wi-Fi system and Amazon Eero 6 mesh system offer hassle-free setup. Google Wi-Fi system comes with a simple app that can walk you through the setup process and provides the ability to see what devices are connected, prioritize devices, and pause Wi-Fi on kids' devices whenever necessary. Similarly, the Amazon Eero 6 mesh system app can walk you through the setup process and allows you to manage your network from anywhere. However, Eero provides additional customer support options over 7 days of the week, making it stand out. Amazon Eero 6 mesh system has some additional features compared to the Google system. Apart from Wi-Fi coverage and speed, Eero 6 mesh system is also a Zigbee smart home hub that can connect to and control compatible devices on your network with Alexa. Furthermore, with cross-compatible hardware, it's effortless to add Eero products as your needs change without losing features. With Google Wi-Fi system, there are fewer additional features compared to Amazon Eero 6 mesh system. And that concludes our comparison of Google Wi-Fi system and Amazon Eero 6 mesh system. Overall, both products are great options, but Amazon Eero 6 is the winner in terms of speed, managing more devices, and additional features. However, if you need coverage in a larger space, Google Wi-Fi system is a better option. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Thank you for watching.